Did you know that probiotics are not a part of the best foods for gut health? Today we are going deep in the best foods for your gut health and overall health. What is the gut barrier? The gut barrier is a critical component of our digestive system. It consists of the intestinal lining, which is made up of tightly packed cells that prevent harmful substances from entering the bloodstream. This barrier also allows the absorption of essential nutrients and water. Think of it as a highly selective gatekeeper that ensures only beneficial substances pass through. Why is it important to keep a healthy gut lining? Maintaining a healthy gut lining is paramount for overall health. When the gut barrier is compromised, it can lead to a condition known as leaky gut, where toxins and undigested food particles leak into the bloodstream. This can trigger inflammation, allergies, and autoimmune diseases. A robust gut lining helps prevent these issues, supports nutrient absorption, and keeps harmful pathogens at bay. What is the gut microbiota? The gut microbiota refers to the trillions of microorganisms living in our intestines. This diverse community includes bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes. These tiny inhabitants play a crucial role in our health by aiding digestion, producing vitamins, and protecting against harmful pathogens. How does microbiota help with gut health? The microbiota helps maintain gut health by digesting food. Certain bacteria break down complex carbohydrates and fibers that our bodies can't digest on their own. Producing vitamins. Some microbes produce essential vitamins like B12 and K. Protecting against pathogens. Beneficial bacteria outcompete harmful microbes, preventing infections. Modulating immune function. The microbiota interacts with the immune system to maintain a balanced response, reducing inflammation and preventing autoimmune reactions. What are the best foods for gut health and why? 1. Psyllium. Psyllium is a type of soluble fiber derived from the seeds of Plantago ovata. It acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Psyllium helps regulate bowel movements, relieve constipation, and lower cholesterol levels. 2. Artichoke. Artichokes are rich in inulin, a type of fiber that promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria. Inulin is known to improve digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and support the immune system. 3. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are packed with fiber, lignans, and omega-3 fatty acids. These components help reduce inflammation, promote regular bowel movements, and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. 4. Bone broth. Bone broth is rich in gelatin, collagen, and amino acids like glutamine. These nutrients help repair and maintain the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and support overall gut health. 5. Fermented foods. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir are loaded with probiotics. These live bacteria help balance the gut microbiota, improve digestion, and boost the immune system. It has been shown that dairy fermented foods like kefir are the ones with the best benefits. What are the components in these foods that aid gut health? Psyllium, soluble fiber. Artichoke, inulin. Flax seeds, soluble fiber, lignans, omega-3 fatty acids. Bone broth, gelatin, collagen, amino acids like glutamine, which is very important for keeping a healthy gut lining. Fermented foods, probiotics, which are live bacteria, and prebiotics. Other benefits of a healthy microbiota. A healthy microbiota offers numerous benefits beyond gut health, including enhanced immune function. A balanced microbiota helps regulate the immune system, reducing the risk of infections and autoimmune diseases. Improved mental health. The gut-brain axis connects the gut and the brain, influencing mood and cognitive function. A healthy gut microbiota can help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Better metabolic health. A balanced microbiota supports metabolic functions, aiding in the regulation of blood sugar and lipid levels. How does a healthy gut and microbiota support weight loss? A healthy gut and microbiota can significantly support weight loss by regulating appetite. Certain gut bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, also known as SCFAs, that help regulate appetite and reduce cravings. Enhancing metabolism. A balanced microbiota supports efficient digestion and nutrient absorption, boosting metabolism. Reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation can hinder weight loss. A healthy microbiota helps reduce inflammation, promoting better metabolic health. Improving insulin sensitivity. A healthy gut can improve insulin sensitivity, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and prevent fat storage. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, maintaining gut health is essential for overall well-being. The gut barrier, a critical component of our digestive system, consists of tightly packed cells lining the intestines. This barrier acts as a gatekeeper, selectively allowing beneficial substances to pass through while preventing harmful entities from entering the bloodstream. Keeping this barrier healthy is crucial because when it becomes compromised with a condition known as leaky gut, toxins and undigested food particles can leak into the bloodstream, triggering inflammation, allergies, and autoimmune diseases. A robust gut lining not only supports nutrient absorption but also protects against harmful pathogens. Equally important to gut health is the microbiota, a diverse community of trillions of microorganisms residing in our intestines. This ecosystem includes bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes that play vital roles in our health. The microbiota aids digestion by breaking down complex carbohydrates and fibers our bodies can't process on their own. It also produces essential vitamins, such as B12 and K, and protects against harmful pathogens by outcompeting them. Additionally, the microbiota interacts with the immune system, helping to maintain a balanced response that reduces inflammation and prevents autoimmune reactions. Several foods are particularly beneficial for gut health, thanks to their unique properties and components. Psyllium, a type of soluble fiber from the seeds of Plantago ovata, acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria in the gut. It helps regulate bowel movements, relieve constipation, and lower cholesterol levels. Artichokes are rich in inulin, a type of fiber that promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria, improves digestion, enhances nutrient absorption, and supports the immune system. Flax seeds, packed with fiber, lignans, and omega-3 fatty acids, reduce inflammation, promote regular bowel movements, and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Bone broth is rich in gelatin, collagen, and amino acids like glutamine, which help repair and maintain the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and support overall gut health. Fermented foods, such as yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir, are loaded with probiotics, live bacteria that balance the gut microbiota, improve digestion, and boost the immune system. The components in these foods that aid gut health include soluble fiber in psyllium, inulin in artichokes, fiber and omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds, and gelatin, collagen, and amino acids like glutamine in bone broth. Fermented foods provide both probiotics, which are live bacteria, and prebiotics, which support a healthy gut microbiota. Beyond gut health, a balanced microbiota offers numerous other benefits. Enhanced immune function is one of the primary advantages, as a balanced microbiota helps regulate the immune system, reducing the risk of infections and autoimmune diseases. Improved mental health is another significant benefit. The gut-brain axis connects the gut and the brain, influencing mood and cognitive function. A healthy gut microbiota can help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Better metabolic health is also supported by a balanced microbiota, which aids in regulating blood sugar and lipid levels. A healthy gut and microbiota significantly support weight loss in various ways. Certain gut bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that help regulate appetite and reduce cravings. A balanced microbiota supports efficient digestion and nutrient absorption, boosting metabolism. It also helps reduce chronic inflammation, which can hinder weight loss, promoting better metabolic health. Additionally, a healthy gut improves insulin sensitivity, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and prevent fat storage. So, understanding the importance of the gut barrier and microbiota, incorporating the best gut-friendly foods like psyllium, artichoke, flax seeds, bone broth, and fermented foods into your diet, and maintaining a healthy microbiota can significantly enhance overall health, support weight loss, and improve mental well-being. Prioritizing gut health is a crucial step toward achieving optimal health and wellness. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.